Did you know that one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms started with the sale of a broken laser pointer? Yes, you heard that right. eBay, a household name today, has an origin story as unique as the items on its marketplace. Let's dive into how a simple test run by its founder turned into a billion-dollar success story. In 1995, Pierre Omidyar, a computer programmer based in California, decided to create a hobby project to make some extra cash. At that time, he called it AuctionWeb, an online platform for people to buy and sell goods. The internet wasn't widely used yet, and e-commerce was still a foreign concept. Omidyar designed the site to test how online auctions could work. Little did he know, he was laying the foundation for what would become eBay. To test the platform, Omidyar listed an item he believed no one would want, a broken laser pointer, for $14.83. To his surprise, someone bought it. Curious, he contacted the buyer to confirm they understood the laser was broken. The buyer's response? "I'm a collector of broken laser pointers." This bizarre yet hilarious exchange sparked Omidyar's realization. People are willing to pay for just about anything if it has value to them. As word spread, collectors and enthusiasts started flocking to AuctionWeb. Within months, the site saw a surge in listings, ranging from quirky items to collectibles. Omidyar's home office couldn't keep up with the demand, and he soon had to rent an actual office space. By the end of the first year, the platform was generating enough income to cover his hosting fees, and much more. From that broken laser pointer sale, eBay grew to become a global e-commerce giant. Today, it connects millions of buyers and sellers across the world, offering everything from rare collectibles to everyday essentials. The company has come a long way since its humble beginnings, but its quirky, community-driven roots remain central to its identity. Omidyar's simple experiment turned into a platform that revolutionized online shopping. eBay's story reminds us that big ideas often start small, and sometimes with a broken laser pointer. What do you think about this incredible journey? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating success stories. See you in the next video.